Well, I have a question for you. For the love of God, why you don't learn Spanish? Now, I want you to convince me why you are not learning Spanish right now, okay? If you understand this video without subtitles, without the need for a translation of somehow, I'm just wondering why you are not learning Spanish right now. You might tell me why you are so confident about that, why you're so confident about me learning Spanish if I can speak English, if I can understand English. Well, the reason for that is that a lot of Spanish vocabularies are basically just like English, because English is derived from Latin and the German Anglo-Saxonian language. Both languages created English. And guess who, or guess which language also derived from Latin, and only Latin? Yes, you guessed it, it is Spanish. The reason, that thing made Spanish and English, both of them, they have a lot of similarities, especially when it comes to vocabularies. Some examples you may ask for? No problema. That's the first example. Another thing, música. That's another example. A third thing is perfecto. For example, aeropuerto, carro, or in some countries they say coche or auto, but in Argentina they say carro. For example, you have favorito, animales. All these are words that you basically know. You don't need any effort, any brain power to memorize these words. So yeah, go ahead, start learning Spanish. This video might be your startup to learn a language spoken by 500 million persons.